I do not know that. I am unaware of it. Hmm. Still the same story that I have. He never brought it up with me. Nothing.
The only time na nalaman ko yung document is Thursday, which is February 2 ng gabi. So as far as I'm concerned, as the lead prosecutor, yun yung una-una nakita ko yung documents.
You were not aware that he was in possession?
No, I'm not. I'm not aware.
Did he ever tell you?
No, no, no. So yun lang. Pero hindi ko talaga alam. The first time na nakukuha ko yung document was February 2 at 7:30 dun sa Midas Hotel. Otherwise, kung alam ko yon, dapat nung Monday, which is I think January 31 ba yon, yung Monday. Otherwise, inattach na namin yon sa aming original request for subpoena. So the only reason we filed a supplemental subpoena noong February 3 is because I got possession of the Annex A document only on the eve, which is on February 2. Otherwise, na-attach ko na yon una pa lang.